Welcome to our video tutorial on how to apply a chroma key effect, also known as green screen removal. The first step is to make sure you have a background video and another video track placed at the top of the timeline. Next, find your green screen footage and drag and drop it onto the top video track. Now go to Adjustments, Mask, Chroma Key, and slide the threshold slider. You'll see the green color start to disappear. Adjust the smoothing slider to make the green removal even more accurate. Once you're happy with the values, press Apply and the background will be totally removed, making your subject's background transparent. Now you can play around with transformation tools, adjustments, etc. to make the subject look more natural in the scene. As a bonus, you can even use keyframes to make the subject move or change size. To do this, go to Adjustments, press the Transform button, and then Record Keyframes. Start moving your timeline to different positions with different values for the transformation. And that's it. In a few simple steps, you've learned how to use Chroma Key to remove green screen backgrounds. But this technique can also be used on any other color by simply changing the target color in the controls. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in our next video.